Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to do a subitem rollup in Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the sheer amount of data and subitems scattered across your boards, then this feature will be a game changer for you. We're going to guide you through the process of consolidating subitems into a single comprehensive view, making your project management smoother and more efficient. So let's jump right in and explore how to master this handy feature on Monday.com with PMN Online. Now, to get started, the first step is to navigate to the Monday.com website. It's crucial to begin here because all your project management magic happens on this platform. Once you land on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see the login option. This is your gateway to accessing your workspace and all the boards that come with it. Click on it to proceed. If you're using Google for login, select the Sign In with Google option. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can manually enter the email address linked to your Monday.com account. And here's a tip. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the right one to access the correct workspace. With your login complete, it's time to move on to the board where you intend to apply the subitem rollup. This is where you'll find the items containing the subitems you wish to manage more effectively. Take a moment to locate the specific item of interest. Once you've found it, you'll notice an arrow icon to the left of the item name. Clicking on this arrow will expand the subitem section, giving you a detailed view of all the subitems associated with that particular item. The next step involves deciding which column from these subitems you want to roll up to the parent level. This is a crucial decision, as it determines what summary data will appear at the parent level. It could be the status, due date, or any other metric you are keen on tracking for better oversight. Carefully consider which column provides the most valuable insight for your needs. Once you've selected the desired column, move your cursor towards the right side of the chosen subitem column. Here you'll find three dots, which are essentially your gateway to the column settings. Click on these dots to open the settings menu. Within this menu, look for an option labeled Show Summary on Parent or Show Summary in Parent Item. Selecting this option will kickstart the rollup process. After you click it, take a look at the item level. You'll notice a new column has appeared. This column is not just any column, it's a mirror that displays the summary data of the subitem column you opted to roll up. It provides an at-a-glance overview of critical information, significantly enhancing the visual organization of your board. This feature saves you the hassle of sifting through layers of data, offering a neat summary of your subitems in one place. The real beauty of this functionality lies in its ability to consolidate data from multiple subitems into a single, succinct summary. It streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. By utilizing this feature, you're not only organizing your board visually, but also saving precious time. And that's it. You've just learned a simple yet powerful way to manage your subitems by rolling them up to a parent item in Monday.com. We at PMN Online hope you found this guide both clear and helpful. Feel free to experiment with different columns to see how this functionality best fits into your workflow. And remember, if you enjoyed this video and want more insights, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials on maximizing your Monday.com experience. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to do a subitem rollup in Monday.com. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.